How to grow your hair super fast. Every woman desires long, shiny, and healthy hair. However, many women deal with hair fall, and because of this, their hair doesn't get along. Luckily, there is a trick you can perform at home and which can make your hair grow longer 2 or 3 inches in just a week. You don't have to make a dent in your pockets nor spend hours on your hair. It's a few changes that will make a huge difference in the health and length of your hair. Here are simple and effective ways to grow your hair faster. First, feed your hair from within. No amount of external application will do any good unless your hair is stronger from the outside. Eating a variety of nutrient-packed food will feed your hair with necessary vitamins and minerals to grow faster, stronger, and healthier. Include plenty of vegetables, fruits, nuts, almond, walnut, basil nut, and seeds, flax, pumpkin, sunflower. Eat more iron-rich foods such as lentils, dal, spinach, whole grains, good quality meat, and fish. And of course, quality protein is the most important food for your hair. Eat pulses, moong, black eye, kidney, chickpeas, lentils, super for your hair, nuts, seed, milk, yogurt, tofu, fish, eggs, and chickens to get your supply of vegetarians and or animal-based proteins in your diet. Second, yoga for hair. I highly advocate a yoga posture for hair growth. There is no scientific evidence to prove the point, but this ancient science of yoga has helped millions of people around the world. And moreover, you have nothing to lose. Certain yoga postures like shoulder stand, low pose are effective in relieving pressure and tension in the neck, which will increase circulation to the scalp, thus bringing essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. Recommended postures included headstand, shoulder stand, low pose, downward facing dog stretch, big toe pose, forward stretch, and the sun salutation. These postures are purported to correct hormonal imbalances, which is another cause for stunted hair growth. Plus, they also increase vitality, improve concentration, calm nerves, and help aid digestion. Third, oil massage. Oil massage is another key element for hair growth, and I can't stress enough on how important it is. It improves the blood circulation and drains away toxins from the scalp, which can affect hair growth. Plus, it also helps reduce protein loss from the hair shaft that may occur during washing shampoos, thus lessening the chances of hair thinning and damage. With regular massage, you will definitely notice the difference in the quality and length of your hair. Use a mixture of coconut oil, almond or olive oil, and castor oil. Ratio of 2:2:1. Apply evenly on your scalp and massage gently with the pads of your finger. Finish by running fingers through your hair. It shouldn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes. Leave on for an hour, or you can also keep it overnight for better conditioning. For best results, massage at least once a week. Fourth, don't wash your hair every day. If you desire long hair, then don't wash your hair too frequently. Washing too often will strip your hair of its natural protective oils, leaving them dry, dull, and prone to breakage. Even if you use a conditioner after shampooing, it's not the same as the natural oils. Besides, constant washing can cause damage or breakage. When hair becomes wet, it absorbs water and swells, resulting in hair that is more elastic and easier to break. Therefore, stick to once or twice a week. And over time, your hair too will adjust to your less shampooing way and stop getting greasy and sweaty. If your hair isn't too greasy, do not use a shampoo. Instead, use a hair rinse, which is both cleansing and nourishing. Fifth, let your hair air dry. The quickest way to make your hair grow longer is to keep it from breaking in the first place. So avoid blow drying, heat styling, and any form of direct heat on your hair. Repeated heat treatment can damage hair, leaving dry, brittle hair strands that break easily. Drying hair and air drying is synonymous for me, and it doesn't take too long. Instead of using your normal towel, simply use an old cotton t-shirt, which will remove excess water out. And your hair will be ready sooner than you think.
Thanks for watching.